The Earth is not solid. It's a giant puzzle of moving plates. And the way these plates move decides where earthquakes hit, where volcanoes erupt, and even where the next ocean will appear. Massive pieces of Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, are constantly moving. And because of these movements, we get earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis, oceans, mountains, and even entire continents shifting over millions of years. In this video, we break down the three main types of tectonic plate movements in the simplest and most visual way. What are tectonic plates? Earth's outer shell is not one solid piece. It's broken into big slabs of rock called tectonic plates. These plates float over a softer layer called the mantle, which moves like slow, thick liquid. Because of the heat deep inside Earth, the mantle is always shifting, and these shifts push the plates around, just like icebergs floating on water. There are 7 major plates and many smaller ones. And the places where plates touch each other are called plate boundaries, the most dramatic places on Earth. Types of plate movements. There are 3 main ways plates move. 1. Divergent, pulling apart 2. Convergent, colliding together 3. Transform, sliding past each other. Let's explore each one with real-world examples. Divergent boundaries. A divergent boundary is when 2 plates move away from each other. As they separate, magma from the mantle rises up and creates new crust. Real example, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The Atlantic Ocean is getting wider every day. The Eurasian plate and the North American plate are pulling apart, creating a long underwater mountain range. Visual, blue ocean surface, underwater ridge, magma rising. On land. Example, in East Africa, the African plate is splitting into 2, forming the East African Rift, a place where new oceans may form in the future. Result of divergent boundaries: new oceans, underwater volcanoes, mountain ridges, rifts and valleys. Convergent boundaries. A convergent boundary is when 2 plates move toward each other and collide. There are 3 types depending on what kind of plates collide. Ocean-continent collision. The denser ocean plate sinks under the continent, a process called subduction. Example, the Nazca Plate sliding under South America. This collision created the Andes Mountains and powerful volcanoes. Ocean-ocean collision. One ocean plate goes under the other. Example, the Pacific Plate subducting under the Philippine Plate, forming the Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth. Continent-continent collision. Both plates are light and resist sinking, so they crumple and push upward. Example, the Indian Plate colliding with the Eurasian Plate, creating the Himalayas, the highest mountain range on the planet. Results of convergent boundaries, earthquakes, volcanoes, deep ocean trenches, massive mountain ranges, transform boundaries. A transform boundary is when 2 plates slide past each other horizontally. They move in opposite directions, grinding and locking, until suddenly they slip, releasing huge amounts of energy. Example, the San Andreas Fault in California. Here, the Pacific Plate and North American Plate slide past each other, causing frequent and sometimes dangerous earthquakes. Results of transform boundaries, strong earthquakes, long fault lines. No volcanoes, usually. Why these movements matter? These plate movements shape everything around us. Earthquakes shake cities, volcanoes form islands, mountains rise over millions of years, oceans open and close, continents slowly drift, changing Earth's map forever. Even right now, as you watch this video, your location is moving a few centimeters every year. Earth is always changing, slowly but powerfully. And that's how tectonic plates move, pulling apart, colliding, and sliding past one another. These simple movements are responsible for the dramatic landscapes and natural disasters we see today. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science and geography videos.